Cooking is like painting. Every great artist needs a great canvas. This is Oishi, an ideal pan for all passionate cooks and chefs. Equipped with an embossed surface, Oishi is made with Japanese precision and carbonated steel to be the most lightweight, healthy, and durable pan. The surface of Oishi is polished to perfection, making it naturally non-stick and requiring little to no oil. With Oishi, you cook easy and healthy. Add to that our embossed pattern and 5-layer surface, and Oishi will distribute the heat evenly over the whole surface. We made the weight and size option of Oishi spot on. The combination of the size, weight, and carbonated steel makes Oishi applicable to any heating source, from an oven to a natural gas stove and induction cooker. Cook your dishes on any hot surface you would love to. The results will always amaze you. It does not matter if you're a meat lover, a person with a specific diet, or just a food gourmand. You can cook any dish with Oishi. Oishi is convenient to clean and does not require any special treatments. We also pay detailed attention to our fully wooden handle by giving the right grip and length to it.
Konnichiwa, Leia here from the Oishi team. Our frying pan will dramatically improve your cooking experience. We manufactured Oishi with modern techniques and the latest technology. We used only the best and harmless materials to create the ultimate cooking pan. But most importantly, we asked over 100 early adopters and cooking enthusiasts to share their opinion and give their input. The results were amazing and everyone enjoyed cooking with Oishi. Now there is only one thing left: support Oishi and be one of the first users of this amazing frying pan. Let's cook together.
Yes, we're back! In 4 years, we have launched 6 successful Kickstarter campaigns, creating chef-grade cookware together with our 22,000 backers worldwide. With this campaign, we take a new step in one of the hottest debates within our community and cookware industry. Should cookware have a non-stick coating? Non-stick coatings have become the standard in frying pans for their ease of use. But are they sustainable or healthy? Chefs often condemn them as not being the real deal. Therefore, our Captain Taco went back to the drawing board, all the way back to our first Blackbeard prototype, redesigning it with all the feedback from our crowd. What would be the purest pan imaginable? Meet the Naked Pan, no coating whatsoever. The inner layer is entirely made of non-toxic, incredibly durable titanium. It's the most biocompatible metal there is, so safe that surgeons even use it within the human body. But we still advise you not to eat your Naked Pan. Titanium is a costly material, but by doing this together, we can offer the pans twice as little as other titanium cookware. The Naked Pan can be used on all heat sources every day, for every dish, and for a lifetime. The pan subtly reaches the perfect temperature with very little heat. And by saving on heat, you can actually earn your titanium pan back. The Naked Pan will change the way you cook. Although it might take you a few tries to master cooking without any coating, you will never want to go back. This is how we create chef-grade cookware for a fair price together with the crowd.
We started Misen with a single purpose: to make premium kitchen tools at honest and affordable prices. Because good tools truly help you cook better. We're thrilled to be back on Kickstarter with our most exciting product yet, the Misen Carbon Steel Pan. Unknown to most home cooks, this pan is a staple in restaurant kitchens for good reason. It combines the best features of stainless steel, cast iron, and non-stick cookware into a single pan in 5 ways. A seasoned carbon steel pan is truly non-stick without any chemicals. This makes cooking delicate foods incredibly easy. It's the most versatile pan you'll ever own. With a naturally non-stick surface, incredible heat conduction, and high heat tolerance, there's almost nothing you can't cook in this pan. Searing steak, cooking fish, eggs, veggies, fried chicken, pizza, you name it. Carbon steel has the best features of cast iron, but it's much lighter, which makes it easier to hold and cook with. If you like cast iron, you will love carbon steel. Carbon steel's naturally non-stick surface makes it incredibly easy to clean. Most of the time, a little water and a towel will do the trick. And finally, even with intense daily use, a good carbon steel pan is strong enough to last a lifetime for years of amazing cooking. For the past 18 months, we've obsessed over every detail of this pan. We combine thoughtful design features with high-performance material to make an incredible carbon steel pan. Featuring a 99:1 iron-to-carbon ratio that is both stronger and lighter than cast iron, an ergonomic handle for comfort and control, sidewalls that are the perfect height and curvature, tall enough for frying but short enough for perfectly browned food, and a cooking surface that is 30% larger than other carbon steel pans. We are so excited to get this pan into your kitchen, but to do that, we need your help. Our design and tooling process are finished, and we're ready to go straight into production. Your pledge will help make Misen carbon steel a reality. So from all of us at Misen, thank you.